कभी कभी मम्मी बोलेगी अरे मदर्स डे था कुछ डाला नहीं मेरे लिए इंस्टाग्राम पे. अच्छा जस्ट किडिंग, जस्ट इन केस माय मॉम इज वाचिंग शी विल से आई नेवर सेड ऑल. In 2014, 6th June, the first post I ever put, I have just captioned it, "Hello Instagram." This was during shoot for a Kannada film called Mast Mohabbat in Ooty. Act like you're drinking coffee and reading a paper, so I acted. But it didn't last long because my mom got really upset. She's like, "Bob cut के साथ तुम हीरोइन नहीं लगती." That was exactly what my mom told me. नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स आई हैव टेकन डाउन अ फोटो क्योंकि वो सहेली नाराज हो गई. अच्छा तुम तो सुंदर लग रही हो, मैं गंदी लग रही थी, वो वाला ही फोटो डाला तुमने. एंड माई क्रश इज फॉलोइंग यू सो ही विल सी मी लुकिंग बैड इन दैट फोटो. विच सेड दैट यू आर द परफेक्ट वाइफ मटेरियल. एंड बहुत मुश्किल होता है यार बताने के लिए कि ये लड़की कुछ नहीं करती किचन में. तो welcome first of all to my channel and to today's episode. But before I get started, मुझे ये बोलना था कि आज पता नहीं सुबह से मेरा मूड बहुत ही ज़्यादा नॉस्टैल्जिक है. And something about this feeling of nostalgia, you know, when you get into this feeling, I don't know, I feel like just kind of digging into it and feeling more nostalgic. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि आज मैं जाके इंस्टाग्राम पे अपनी पुरानी पिक्चर्स को देखने वाली हूँ. और ये स्टार्ट कैसे हुआ, तो कल ही मैं मतलब ऐसे अपने फेसबुक पे स्क्रॉल कर रही थी, वंस इन अ व्हाइल आई ओपन इट, और फिर एक 4 साल या 5 साल पुराना मेमोरी आया विच सेड लाइक ओ दिस अ मेमोरी फ्रॉम 5 years बैक. और फिर मैंने वो फोटो देखा और एक अलग ही ट्रिप स्टार्ट हो गया. तो सोचा कि व्हाई नॉट डाइव इनटू दिस एंड सी सम ऑफ माय ओल्ड पिक्चर्स एंड मे बी टेक यू अलॉन्ग विथ मी ऑन दिस ट्रिप. आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट विथ how this journey of Instagram started. एक ज़माना था देखो जहाँ पे Facebook was everything, और Facebook पे के पहले एक होता था Orkut. I only remember that. And of course when I debuted social media नाम का कुछ था ही नहीं. I'm talking about you know early 2000s. So this came in later. और मुझे vaguely याद है that I think I had seen something on Facebook which said oh Sonam Kapoor has introduced actor Dhanush to this new app called Instagram. I bumped into some friends. I said, अच्छा like Facebook कुछ Instagram जैसा आया. They said, yeah, you know, it's for posting pictures of food. That was the first thing I heard about Instagram. That when you go out and eat, बहुत ही वो सुंदर दिखने वाला खाना होता है ना, which is very prettily arranged and everything. People put that on Instagram. I think that was my first introduction. ये मतलब एक इतने सालों 10-11 साल में it will be the thing where everyone connects and everyone watches and it's just a thing on its own. I don't know how to describe it. We had no clue. That is how it started, and I think I didn't take it seriously for the longest time. So I have found the date. It was in 2014, 6th June, the first post I ever put. अभी मुझे वो दिन याद है. There I think वो कुछ मैं टाइम पास कर रही थी फ़ोन पे और एक सेल्फी ले लिया and I thought let me download this new thing and just post something. So that is how it started. It was not something I was fully into. At the same time, it's like it's something everyone's doing. You know, like where you can again have mutual friends. And I thought, oh, you know, Facebook had this where you can poke people. So I was thinking, everyone's getting here and we can poke people on Instagram also. But of course, it was a little different. That is how it started. That was the starting of my journey with the app. तो अब मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ, मैं अपने फोटोज के थ्रू स्क्रॉल करने वाली हूँ. And if there's anything, the pictures which further propel my nostalgic quotient to the skies, I will share those pictures and the story behind them. This was in 2014, 6th of June. I was in Bombay and I remember I was living in a 400 square foot space. Beautiful area, but it was a 400 square foot home. For those in this part of the country, I know it's unbelievable. This was the picture. And I have just captioned it, "Hello Instagram." Not as creative as I should have been. I didn't know I'll be reviewing this photo 11 years later, but see, here we are. This picture, 15th August 2015, was in Chennai because this costume I wore in a Tamil movie. That's the only reason I remember. Romeo Juliet, temple का scene था. I think not Chennai, sorry, Kumbakonam. And lunch break में ये photo डाला मैंने. Then of course, yeah, oh God, all selfies. This was during shoot for a Kannada film called Mast Mohabbat in Ooty. And you know that between shots this person comes and says, oh, act like you're drinking coffee and reading a paper, so I acted. So this was an acting candid. It's a thing, by the way. But it's like, oh, please take my candid. So no one should know like I posed, but I'm posing. This was at the bird park in Bali, and I still don't know why I didn't put family pictures. My mom, dad and sister were also there. But I had to only put my pictures on Instagram. And no one cared also. Now it's come to like my, कभी-कभी मम्मी बोलेगी अरे Mother's Day था कुछ डाला नहीं मेरे लिए Instagram पे. And the rest of the world is like, don't put on Facebook, Instagram. Go tell your mom Happy Mother's Day. My mom wants both. She wants the wish and she wants footage on Instagram. Acha, just kidding, just in case my mom is watching. She'll say I never said all that. All right. This was 4th February 2016. For the movie Aranmane 2, and I played a nurse in that, and I'm carrying a bowl of water. I think somebody has fever in the scene. बुखार है किसी को और वो बर्फ का पट्टा डाल रही हूँ. हाँ, caring nurse. Okay. Oh, this is one of my favorite pictures. This was done by my friend in Pune. Friend of mine called Sheetal Petkar, and she had started her own studio. And उस time कुछ system नहीं था उतना collaborations का ये वो and all. I remember seeing her pictures and said, would you care enough to shoot me? And it was an amazing experience. So that was one picture. This was another picture from the same shoot around 10 years back. And मेरा story वही था. Sorry, 10th April 2016. हाँ. स्टोरी वही था मेरा दैट लिसन आई एम फैट आई डोंट नो हाउ विल डू द फोटो शूट. मैं 3 महीने डाइट करके आती हूँ एंड शी सेड जस्ट forget about it. It was one of those days, आप एक effort करते हो, creative effort, and you're not expecting anything. You just want to have fun because it was boring at home. The shoot was one of those days where we were just doing it for the fun of it, and I got some of the best pictures of mine. Then let me see. Oh, so guys, अगर आप जानते नहीं हो, मेरा हर चीज़ फेज में होता है. ठीक है, ये एक योगा का फेज हो गया, एक ट्रैवल का फेज हो गया, एक फेज होता है, फेज का थीम होता है. सो आई हैड अ फ्रिंजेस बैंग फेज ऑल्सो. या I wanted to go and change my. That is one. That is the next. I still remember I went to some super busy hairstylist who charged me a lot, and of course took 3.5 hours for giving me bangs and this, that, and all. And then I loved it and loved it and loved it. Now the thing with bangs is that they start growing. Now either you have to maintain it, but then my enthusiasm ran off, so I didn't maintain it. तो वो बढ़ते गए और फिर मैंने वापस नहीं किया. Okay, this is a picture actually for the story, but मैंने feed में डाल दिया. Me with my friend Shraddha Das. We had gone for a movie. I forget which movie. Movie खत्म होने के बाद is somebody who said अच्छा just let's take a photo. And उस टाइम मैं सोचती नहीं थी कि ये स्टोरी में जाएगा, ये इंस्टाग्राम में जाएगा, ये रील के लिए जाएगा. ये there was no you clicked and you posted. I actually missed those days when it wasn't so serious. Oh, so after the bangs phase, super long hair and bangs, I also had a bob cut phase, but it didn't last long because my mom got really upset. She's like, bob cut के साथ तुम हीरोइन नहीं लगती. That was exactly what my mom told me. Cute, but no, you should have. So then I grew it out because I was just not sure how she'll react. This is taken during shoot. एक वो scene होता है ना, सुंदर सा scene कि अब नहा के आए हो, बहुत प्योर लग रहे हो. And आपका introduction है slow mo में. One of those shots. So the photographer took this. I remember it was a introduction shot of the Malayalam movie called I think Zakariya Pothan Jeevichira Pundo, in which I murder my husband. But they wanted to show that this is the woman who's the murderer. Last May. So that was the director's thing. He's like, oh, I wanted to look like no one suspects you, like so. Now this next picture was on Mother's Day. And this year, I didn't put a post. Maybe I should put a belated Mother's Day post. But then that is with my mom. And yeah, she always overshadows me in every picture. But it's okay. I got used to it. So this was on Mother's Day, guys. This was in Pune. And this was on 2019. कभी-कभी spontaneous post होता है for no reason. Just an appreciation post. I'm not doing it as often as I should. But around 6 years back, I have done it. Random post for my friend Kamna. Collage बनाया मैंने. Where it's like, oh, can't wait to make more memories with you. That means I was bursting with so much love. I'm sure she'll have something to say about that if I get into reminding her that, oh, I'd put this post for you. Oh, okay, I have to show you this. So this is a Himachal trip. It's one of the most fun trips we ever did, and this was in 2019. So that's my sister, and her special person and me and my special person and another friend whose special person didn't come for the trip because she had work and her boss said no for leave, so he came single. Okie dokie. God, guys, please be patient. There are 1,000 pictures and this is after I've erased some posts. 1,000 से ज़्यादा हैं. Okay, this was a reel I had made with my friend Tridha. So yeah, she's Bengali and let me show it to you.
সুন্দরী, তোমার নাম কি?
সুন্দরী, তোমার নাম কি?
Morning Bengali tutorials be like.
Yeah, Bengali tutorials at breakfast with a face pack. It was a stress buster for me itself to see my reel with my friend. I think every time I saw it, it was just cracked me up. And I took her permission and posted. एक और चीज़ Instagram का, मुझे पता नहीं था आपको permission पूछना पड़ता है post करने के पहले, especially if you have an actress friend. Because each one needs to make sure they're looking good in the picture. तो उसके बाद मैं बहुत conscious हो गई कि अरे सबको पूछना is this photo okay, approved, this that. Number of times I have taken down a photo क्योंकि वो सहेली नाराज हो गई. अच्छा तुम तो सुंदर लग रही हो, मैं गंदी लग रही थी, वो वाला ही फोटो डाला तुमने. And my crush is following you, so he'll see me looking bad in that photo. All that happens for Instagram, guys. Yeah, I put a photo for Father's Day also. That's me with my dad at Dubai duty free. I was so happy because I purchased like a lot of makeup and he paid the bill. So I said, I'll take a photo and put it for Instagram. I'm really grateful to all the gods that my dad is not on Instagram. Sometimes I get stressed, like he said, "Arey, what is this new app Instagram?" And I'm like, no, don't come on it. Because my mom is on Instagram और मेरी मम्मी हर comment पढ़ती है, हर comment. There are 3,000. She will read all 3,000. I'm trying to tell all the boys keep it decent. My mom will read, and all they say is, "Oh, please tell hello to auntie. Like we love her and all." Okay. I wouldn't say this is a special picture, but एक trend है Instagram पे मेरे photos के लिए. When I don't know what to do, I just stretch and put a photo like this. And these are the pictures that actually go viral. I think this picture, yeah, it's got a 3 lakh likes around 5 years back. Now I have professionally taken pictures with everything done properly and everything, and sometimes it barely crosses 50,000. This is a no-brainer. I think anytime I need to up the algorithm, I just stretch and put a picture. Works every single time. You should try it. So guys, what I'll be doing now, I think nostalgia बस हो गया. मतलब ये वो 5 साल पहले, 10 साल पहले, very nice. मैं अभी थोड़े नए वाले photos, something I posted in the recent past, I will be choosing and giving them a score. And I will explain why I gave them the score I gave them. I'll start with the most recent post. This is the one. It's in Koh Samui, Thailand. A place I discovered last year, sorry. And I'll give this picture a 10, I think. Sorry, no, sorry, 8. More so because it was a magical sunset, 6:30 in the evening. And I don't think the photo is doing justice to the sunset I saw. So this is the most recent picture I have. Then there is one from my birthday. When I was getting ready, these were some mirror selfies I took. It was more for the occasion. I think this can get a 6. Again, selfies are not exactly like, conventional pictures, so I don't think it's fair to judge it in the same way. Okay, this I will give a 10. Okay, मेरे को ये ड्रेस पसंद आया अभी. मैंने होली के लिए एक पोस्ट डाला था and I had just got this made, so I will give this a 9. I really loved these pictures and I really felt like it was holy once I got ready. 9 on 10 for this one. This is I was shooting in RFC for a web series, I think, and one of those days, where you're charged up to work and they say pack up, go home. They told me आपका रात को 9 बजे तक शूट है. I'm like, oh God, lot of work, and I'm sitting like this. वो एक 1.5 सीन करने के बाद बोले नहीं आपका हो गया, आप जाओ. I don't know, that makes me really happy. I shouldn't be saying it, I know, but it's like, oh, I can go home and do what I want. Now, because I could go home and do what I want, I didn't go home. I just hung around there, wasted some time, and took some pictures. Like I'm the watchman of the caravan. Photo means for the photo score, it's a 5 on 10. But it's just one of those things. Time pass post एक होता है कि बोर हो रहा है लाइफ में, मैं Instagram पे पोस्ट डालती हूँ. वो वैसा भी है. I have to talk about this photo. This costume actually, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पहनना था इतनी पीली साड़ी. I just felt like it was too yellow. and two orange and two but yeah, this is got some 8 million views. No, I think Instagram is showing you how many views your photo got. And ये जो निशा है, you know, she clicks my pictures, gets my hair and all, she insisted on this yellow saree कि नहीं यही कलर जाएगा. And the number, I think this got like some 1 lakh shares. Yeah, 40,000 shares, sorry, I exaggerated, but still 40,000 shares, and I still don't get it because as a photo I will just give it maybe same 5 on 10. So I didn't get the big deal about it. One of those photos which is fascinating, you know, when you try understanding कि यार इसके algorithm में क्या है, क्योंकि मुझे एकदम नॉर्मल फोटो लगा और इतना रिएक्शन आया, और जो मुझे बहुत वाव फोटो लगते हैं, दिस अगेन आई विल गिव इट अ 7 on 10, बट दिस हैज बीन माई मोस्ट शेयर्ड फोटो एवर. It was taken last year here on the terrace on one monsoon day, again just ऐसे. And oh yeah, this is also the photo that got me the maximum number of marriage proposals on email, and that ship is kind of sailed, you know, like I'm not looking for husbands, but it's, you know, when you find so many and you're not looking for it, yeah, close to 17 emails which said that you are the perfect wife material. And बहुत मुश्किल होता है यार बताने के लिए कि ये लड़की कुछ नहीं करती किचन में. They don't get it. They said you look homely, so you are homely. Guys, don't fall for that. All right. Okay, I love this picture. I'll give it just a 7 on 10 again. Photo उतना okay है, but this is when I just shifted to Hyderabad. सारे किताबें वहाँ पे थे और वो बीच में ये हमने ऐसे ही खींचा. Okay, workout video. You know why I love it so much? Because I hardly worked out and there are hardly any workout videos. तो थोड़े बहुत जो मैंने डाले मेरे लिए बहुत special है. This is when I just started Pilates, and I wanted to show off to the world that look at me, I'm stretching and doing Pilates now. And I think I went for the classes just for 2 months, but it's among the very few workout videos. I will give it a 10 because मैं जब भी देखती हूँ लगा रहे देखो मैं कितना वर्कआउट कर रही हूँ. Okay, so guys, मैं ये फोटो स्कोरिंग का जो गेम खेल रही हूँ यहाँ पे कंक्लूड करती हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा कुछ खास लिमिट नहीं है. 1000 पोस्ट है और मैं हज़ारों, आई थिंक अबाउट ईच एंड एवरी पोस्ट आई कैन गो इनटू डिटेल कि ये कब हमने क्लिक किया था, क्यों क्लिक किया था, मैं क्या पहन रही हूँ, उस दिन क्या खाया था मैंने. सो आई थिंक विल सेव दिस फॉर अनदर टाइम, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज गुड फॉर टुडे. तो आपका फीडबैक इट विल बी रियली प्राइसलेस इफ यू कैन लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वीडियोस यू वुड लाइक टू वॉच, एंड आई सी यू सून नेक्स्ट वीक.